Welcome to the TBS Trading Channel, and today we are going to be looking at our analysis for the week. So if you're joining us for the first time, we'd like you to hit that like button and subscribe. We'd also like you to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. So let's jump right into the video. So just like every other week on the TBS Trading Channel, today we are going to be looking at our analysis for the week. So the first pair we're going to be checking out today is the AUDCAD, and as you can see, the AUDCAD used to be in a downtrend. That is, there's a break of structure. And if you can look at this closer, you find out that the AUD card has been having higher lows, lower highs and lower lows. That is, this is a lower high, then a lower low, lower high, lower low, until this very moment when this structure was broken right here. So this is a break of structure. So we should be expecting the AUD card to begin an uptrend. That is, we should be expecting a pullback to this level and a continuation of this uptrend. So to wherever, as you can see, everything has been drawn out already. So personally, I think I'll be expecting the AUD card. This is daily time frame, by the way. So I think I'll be expecting the AUD card to get to this zone eventually. So since we've gotten our analysis from the daily time frame, what we're going to do now is to jump down into the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame to be looking for possible trades. Now, since this is 1 hour time, 4 hours time frame, sorry. Now, what would I be expecting from AUD card? I'll be expecting price to give me a pullback. At this, I'll be expecting price to give me a pullback into this zone. Then I'll be taking, then I'll be taking my take profit in this zone right here. Now, in our previous video, we talked about Fibonacci retracement. So we could also use Fibonacci retracement in this trade. That is, we can just pull out our Fibonacci retracement, and since this is an uptrend, we're going to draw the Fib levels from the lowest low to the highest high. This is kind of ridiculous actually, but it means that the price, we'll be expecting price to get to somewhere around there. And so I've said earlier, since this pullback is really small, I don't think the price is going to be getting to this zone. So personally, I think I'll just be waiting for price to get into this zone. That's why I'm going to check out another trade where we can actually use the Fibonacci retracement. So on the AUD card, as I've said earlier, I will be expecting price to get to this zone, and I'll be looking for possible buys to the upside. Although the price might not get to this zone because this is a very long or a very big push. So we might also be expecting price to do something like this. It might be a shallow pullback, at least a pullback that doesn't get to the previous zone before moving up. So whatever pullback we see, we're going to get prepared for it, something like that. So just on that, on the AUD card, we'll be expecting price to get to this zone. Then we'll be looking for a push upward. Now let's look at the next pair. Our next pair is the AUDJPY. So let's start from the daily time frame as we did in the AUD card. So just like the AUD card, the AUDJPY is also in an uptrend. As you can see, we have the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation move. 1, 2, 3. So when price broke this zone, so what we're expecting for price is just a pullback, then to the other side. So because of the space between this and this zone, I think it's more, the price will definitely, if there will be a pullback, I think if price doesn't get to this zone before it retraces, price should definitely enter the zone. So if we jump down to the 4-hour time frame, sorry, delete this, we should be expecting price to give us a pullback into the zone before price pushes up into the zone. So that's all for AUDJPY. So the next pair we're going to be looking at now is the CADJPY. That's the Canadian Swiss. Now I don't need to go to the, let me just quickly check the 4-hour time, the daily time frame. Daily time frame is not really relevant here. The daily time frame, the price is just ranging. In the 4-hour time frame too, the price is ranging. So we're going to be trading a ranging market here. So what I'm going to trade here, I'm expecting the CADJPY to continue this range. I'm not expecting a breakout of this range. So that is in a range we buy low, sell high. So I'll be expecting this price to get into this zone, and after seeing a reasonable entry reason like a double tops or an inverted head and shoulders, I'll be buying to this zone right here. So in this kind of, I don't know if you notice this moving average and a ranging market, the moving average is not really important because the moving average doesn't really work well in a ranging market. So in order to place the trade, I think I'll be going to the 1 hour time frame. Now I'll be expecting price to do one of two things. Since this has already got into my zone, I'll be expecting a double bottom before I place this trade, before I take this trade. So I'll be expecting price to get to this zone. Price must not break this high. That is, a candle must not close above this high. The wick can go above the line, this high, but sorry, this low. The wick can go below this low, but the candle must not close below this low. So I'll be expecting price to test this the close of this candle or the open of this candle. Then I'll be waiting for a green candle. So once I've seen a green candle, that will be my entry reason to buy to the upside. So that's it for CADJPY. Now the next pair we're going to be looking at is EURGBP, and EURGBP, as you can see, the Fibonacci is already on this trade. So EURGBP, let's check from the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, the EURGBP is in a downtrend. In fact, price broke this zone, and I think it's going to continue selling. Now you might look at it and say that price is supposed to test this zone before going bullish. Yes, price could do that, and price could also get to this I take profit before retesting or before retracing. So the fact that I've placed the trade doesn't mean I know exactly what the price is going to do. So this is just my prediction on the EURGBP. So I'm expecting price to get to, this is a downtrend. As you can see, price has been creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So this is a lower low, retesting this zone. I pulled out my Fibonacci, and as you can see, if you check out our previous video, that is a video that we uploaded just before this one, we talked about the Fibonacci retracement. So you're going to understand how I pulled this Fibonacci retracement. So the next pair and the last pair we're going to be checking out today is the GBPJPY. That's the pound yuan. Now let's check out the pound yuan. I think this is a very obvious one. We'll just be expecting price. Sorry, this should be in. Yeah. I think we'll just be expecting price. Let's check out the daily time frame first. What trend are we in? This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. And if what I was looking for in a downtrend, I'm looking for sell trades. So this is very, very obvious. Since price broke this previous low right here, we're going to be expecting price to retest this zone. That is, if this is not a false breakout in the daily time frame. But if this is not a false breakout, to be expecting price to retest this zone, and we're going to be selling to this downside. So let's check out the lower time frames for possible entry. Now this is the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, you can get your entry from the 4 hour time frame, but you can drop down to the 1 hour time frame, whichever one works for you. I'm actually a swing trader, so I think I'll prefer entering in the 4 hour time frame. Sometimes in the 1 hour time frame, it's better to enter with low risk. So I'll be expecting price to get into this zone. Now you could jump to the 4 hour time frame, to the 1 hour time frame to look for chart patterns. But if I'm going to be entering this trade in the 4 hour time frame, I'll be looking for candlestick patterns. That is, in the 4 hour time frame, I'll be expecting nothing less than a inverted hammer or an engulfing candle to sell to this zone right here. But if I'll be jumping to the 1 hour time frame, I'll be waiting for a double tops reversal pattern before I'll be selling to this zone right here. So that's all for this week. So before we end the video, I'd like to show you guys an investment we made in the beginning of TBX trading channel. In the beginning of TBX trading channel, we talked about a stock that was crude oil. And in crude oil, we talked about buying or investing into crude oil for a very long period of time. I don't know, just about if you started with us, I know you know what I'm talking about. And just want to show you guys that if those of you that started or invested with us, I just want to show you guys that we are in deep profit. As you can see, we got into the trade right about here. Then this where we got our, I got in personally, my second trade was right about here. As you can see, we've made a lot on the crude oil. So for those, I think this is a 1 to 14 risk to reward ratio. That's a very, very dope investment. So to those of you that invested with us, I hope you guys are actually enjoying. And to those that didn't, don't worry, very, very soon we're also going to be talking about other stock investments. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. See you next time on the TBA Training Channel. Bye.